With this video, you'll learn how to configure the Zapier block on Typebot. So for this, you'll need to drag and drop a Zapier block anywhere on your Typebot. So if you drop it here, it will be triggered once this question has been answered. So you'll only have a partial results, partial information from your user. And if you need all the information, including the additional information, then you need to trigger the Zapier block after this question. So let's connect back the groups. So let's configure it. So as you can see, we need to head up to Zapier to configure this block. So let's do that. Log in. Okay, so I need to look up again to Typebot, and I need to choose another service. So let's say, okay, I want to send an email with a Zap. So let's select when the Zapier step triggered, then we want to send an email with Gmail. So let's configure the Typebot Zap. So we'll need to connect a Typebot account so we can sign in, and it will ask for an API token. So you can find your API tokens in your settings, in the dashboard, My Account, and there you have all your API tokens, and you can create a new one that you can call, for example, Zapier, so that you can remember, okay, I have an API token that is related to Zapier, and you need to copy the token, and it will appear once, so you need to store it safely somewhere if you need to. So let's copy this, let's click on Done. Let's go back to our Typebot, and also let's go back to the settings here. We'll paste this API token, continue. Okay, so we're connected to our account, continue. And now we'll choose our Typebot. So it will, in theory, list all the Typebots, but we'll look for the Zapier tutorial Typebot, and we'll select the only Zapier block ID that it can find, which is this one. So additional information and the block ID. So let's choose this one, continue. We need to test the trigger, and it will give you a result sample. So this result sample will reflect what you can get once the Zapier block is triggered. It will be fake data. As you can see, test@email.com. I didn't answer those, I didn't input those data, but it should be sufficient to configure. So let's quickly configure the send email in Gmail. I've connected my account. I want to send an email to the email that we collected. We want to send this email from my personal email. The subject, test subject, it doesn't matter. And then you can create also your email body with, I don't know, maybe the name and other information, but we'll just send the name for now. Let's click on continue, and then let's just skip the test. We know that it will work. So let's just skip the test. And in theory, we just need to publish the Zap, publish and turn on. And once it's published, you can actually go back to your Typebot. And as you can see, the block has been correctly configured, as you can see with this message here. So now let's try to answer, and boom, the webhook has been successfully executed. So in theory, if I go to my Gmail account, so yeah, it worked and it has been easy to configure. So let me know if that makes sense. If you have any question, of course, feel free to leave a comment below the YouTube video, or just send me a message with the bubble at the bottom right corner. Thank you.